Nungwi Beach, located in the north of the island of Zanzibar, Tanzania, is a true resort paradise for those who love the sea and white sand. With its long coastline and calm ocean waves, Nungwi attracts tourists from all over the world. This beach is famous for its beautiful scenery, clear blue seawater, and a variety of marine recreational activities such as surfing, scuba diving, sailing, and fishing. Nungwi Beach in Tanzania is not only a great destination for tourism but also a unique environment for studying climate change and its impact on people and the environment. With a humid tropical climate and long dry season, Nungwi is witnessing a marked transformation in its weather conditions and natural environment. Nungwi is located about 55 kilometers north of the capital Stone Town, and is the cultural and historical center of Zanzibar. This beach is surrounded by the Indian Ocean, with long stretches of white sand and dreamy blue seawater. Coral reefs are an integral part of the marine ecosystem, providing a vibrant and colorful environment for marine animals. At Nungwi Beach, Tanzania, these coral reefs are a highlight of biodiversity and home to hundreds of species of fish, worms, shrimp, and many other types of marine life. Standing on the shores of Nungwi, you can't help but notice the dazzling beauty of these naturally hot girls, reflecting the sun and moonlight on their shiny brown skin. With sunny smiles and hair blowing in the wind, the girls on Nungwi Beach radiate undeniable charm and charisma. Nungwi Beach, with its wild beauty and rich culture, has become a popular tourist destination attracting thousands of visitors from around the world. However, the rapid development of the tourism industry sometimes also poses some challenges and impacts on the environment and local communities. Therefore, to ensure the sustainability of tourism at Nungwi Beach, it is necessary to promote environmental protection and management measures, as well as encourage visitors to engage in responsible tourism activities and respect local culture. Consideration and collaboration between stakeholders is key to ensuring that tourism brings long-term benefits to both the environment and local communities. Let's immerse yourself in the wonderful experience of Nungwi Beach through Wandering Channel. Sign up today to discover amazing sights, unique travel experiences and amazing stories about culture and life in this location. Which place do you want us to work on next? Please leave it in the comments below.